Good day, good morning. I'm Dr. Rajam Parvez Anwar from American TV, which means My Story TV, MKTV. Uh, I'm going outside from my house and just watching the weather. It's very fine weather, shining, sun is shining full, and I can't see anything. The weather is very fine and there is no sign of rain today. You can see the scenery there and clouds, white clouds, and this beautiful place. It's a test video just to show you the weather condition here and the greenery in my area. There's some sign of rain out on the roads with water near the cars. A cat is moving here, and let's go back and see how the video is. And here are my boats in Urdu and in English. Thank you very much for watching this video.